Hello student, good morning. Today we start our lesson number 4, that is more features of MS Word 2010. Our first topic is find and replacing text. Sometimes you may need to search for a particular word or text in your document, so you can use find command. Find and replace command the word or text and replace it with the new word or text in a document. Now suppose I want to find some words like includes, so you can click on find and you can type here includes, and here you can click or else you can press enter key on your keyboard. So no includes keyword are here. Yes, you can see here includes, but it's in your capital letter, and this includes have only first keyword is capital, other keyword are in small letter. So I want to write first letter in capital and other in small. So you can see result here. Now advanced find, click on find drop down and you can see here advanced find option. Now one dialog box is open in your document. You can see here many options, like first is match case option, find the word or text as you have typed in the find what box. Second is find whole words only, it find the text as a whole word, not as a part of another word. Fourth is sound like, it find the two or more words having the same spelling or pronunciation but having different meaning, like C and C. Find all word from it, find all form of word or noun of the word. Now suppose I want to write includes and click on find next button. In case you want to find the same word again in a document, you can see here output. Now after finding the word, it will display a message as shown here. Word has finished searching the document. Click on OK button and click on close button. Now next is replace. To replace the text in a document. Now you can see here replace option. You can click on replace button. Now suppose I want to replace. Click on replace. Now suppose I want to replace includes, replace with my name and find next. Click on find next. You can see here, suppose I want to click on replace button, it replace with Herschel C. See here. Now again I click on replace, so you can see here output. Here you can click on OK button and you can see here Herschel. So this is your find and replace option in your Word document. Click on close button. Now replace all. Suppose I want to replace find what in find what you can type Herschel and replace with suppose Samiti. You can click on replace. Replace all button, replace all the occurrence of the word important with the word main in the document in case of particular word is to be replaced as substitute for another. Suppose click on replace all. You can see here whenever I type Herschel is replaced with Samiti. You can see here. I hope you understand find and replace option. In next video we will continue with our lesson number 4. Thank you for watching this video.